Hi friends, welcome to Sri Sai IT Hub. In this video of Core Python Programming, we are going to discuss the following topic: Python dictionary collection with delete, pop, and clear operations. So first of all, what is dictionary collection in Python programming? So dictionary, dict is a data type in Python. So coming to some technical points related to the dictionary. Dictionary is a collection of elements as key value pairs. For example, dictionary 1, open curly braces, roll number 1001, key value, name Sai, key value, age 21, key value. So dictionary keys are unique, no duplicates. So if you try to put a duplicate key, dictionary values can be duplicate. So here we can have duplicate values for a unique key. Next, dictionary does not provide indexes to its collections. Dictionary elements are mutable, which means modifications are possible once we create it. Addition, deletion, updations, all these are okay. And dictionary key value pairs are given in curly brackets and they are separated with commas. And each key value, they are separated with colon. For example, dictionary 2. So key value separated with colon, key value separated with colon, key value separated with colon. Now coming to dictionary collection elements. So they can be deleted using del keyword. And for this we have to use keys. Example, delete dictionary 1 of key. So that particular key value pair will be deleted from the dictionary. We can also delete a complete dictionary at a time. Delete dictionary 1. So now coming to the pop method. So pop method takes key as input parameter and deletes its corresponding value. For example, dictionary 1 dot pop of key. So dictionary 1 or dictionary 2 pop of 1003. So that corresponding key and value will be deleted. So now let us try to demonstrate this with a small program. Python dict example 6. So take a new page. First write comments at the beginning of the program. So first let us take a dictionary. 1001 Sai, 1002 Ram, 1003 Ali, 1004 Tom. Okay, so I'm taking 4 elements and 1005 Krishna, total 5 elements. So print dictionary 1. So let us execute till here. Put comment for all the remaining cases. Right, so save this program in your working directory. So come to the prompt where you have saved this program. So run this Python dictionary example 6. So this is our initial dictionary with 5 elements. 1001, 2, 3, 4, 5. So next, delete dictionary 1, 1003. So 1003, Ali will be deleted. Print dictionary 1. Similarly, delete dictionary 1, 1004. So 1004, Tom will be deleted. Print dictionary 1. Execute till these 2 cases. Come to the prompt, run it. So 1003 is deleted. After that 1004 is deleted. Now we have only 3 elements: 1001, 1002, 1005. So next let us perform pop. So what is this pop? So pop, it will delete a particular key value pair provided by the given key. So dictionary 1.pop 1001 pop 1002. Right, so save this. So 1001 is deleted. We have only two elements, Ram, Krishna. After that 1002 is also deleted. We have only one key value pair, 1005 Krishna. So next we'll take again dictionary with 5 elements, dictionary 1, 1001, 2, 3, 4, 5. Sai, Ram, Ali, Tom, Krishna. So print dictionary 1. So after that I'm using dictionary1.pop item print dictionary 1. So it will delete any random elements available in the dictionary. Key value pair. Random element means key value pair. That is what is pop item. So save this and run it. Okay, put proper comments for the remaining cases. Right. Save it and run. So this is dictionary with 5 elements. After that I have said pop item. It will take any item. So in this case it has taken 1005 Krishna, which is deleted. Okay. Now let us do once again pop item and then print dictionary 1. So it is not compulsory that it will delete only the last key value pair. Okay. It will delete any key value pair randomly. So now it has deleted randomly 1004 Tom. After that we have only 3 elements or 3 key value pairs. Then finally we also have clear method, which will delete all the elements or key value pairs at a time from the dictionary. So dict1 dot clear and print dictionary 1. Right, so save and run this. Now the dictionary has become empty after clear operation. So this is how we are supposed to work with 3 methods. First one, we have worked with del keyword. Second, pop. Third one, pop item, and then clear. So that is what is all about dictionary collection with delete, pop, pop item, and clear. Thank you for watching this video. Do like, comment, and share this video. And also subscribe to the YouTube channel Sri Sai IT Hub. Have a nice day.